Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to edit public display name on WordPress. Now, to edit your public display name on WordPress is quite simple. From the homepage of WordPress, what you do is that you click on your profile picture at the top right corner, click on my profile to open up its profile, and the next thing you're going to do is you can see this is my profile picture, the name, the last name. This is the public display name. Now I don't want this to show anymore. I simply remove this and change it to what I want. Let's say I want it to be kitty cat with a cat icon or something. Let's see, kitty cat. I can make it this instead, and that's it. So once you're done, go to the bottom and click on save profile details, and it is saved. But why this is a problem saving my changes is that this public display name actually has been used before. That's why I couldn't use it when I was registering. So once you try and until there's a problem, it means you have to change it. That has been used before. So let's say I want to change it to this, the same one I was using before, but this time around I just want to put it because this is the one I'm sure of that has not been used. So it's not letting me save at the bottom. Why? Let's find out. So yeah, this is the same one. Let's see if we can write something about me. Okay, I had to edit something about me to be able to save profile details, and now I've done that. It's as simple as that. So anything you change, see if you can change at least two things. Change until at the bottom you can see this is in blue before you can save it. So hope you found this video helpful on how to edit public display name on WordPress.